Hi guys, and welcome back to Basic Math with Miss T. In today's video, we will be going over mixed fractions as well as improper fractions. We will also convert mixed fractions to improper fraction as well as improper fraction to mixed fractions. Okay, so let's determine which kind of fraction each fraction is. Okay, so let's take 1 1/2 and 9/5. This one right here will be our mixed fraction, and this one is our improper fraction. Okay, so how do we know which fraction is mixed fraction and which fraction is an improper fraction? To decide which one's which, when it comes to your mixed fraction, you'll always have a whole number and a proper fraction. Whereas in the improper fraction, we'll always have your numerator will be greater than your denominator. So that's the difference between a mixed fraction and an improper fraction. Okay, so let's go over how to convert our mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, and let's do 3 fractions together. So let's do 1 3/4 and 2 1/2 and 3 1/3. Okay, so to convert these, there is a simple equation. Okay, so our equation is whole number times denominator plus numerator over our denominator. Okay, so let's do 1 3/4. Okay. Okay. So in order to us to convert, we have to decide what is our whole number. So our whole number is 1. Our denominator is 4. And our numerator is 3. Okay. So let's look back onto our equation up here. Okay. So our whole number is 1. Okay, so it's going to be 1 times our denominator is 4. Okay, or actually, let's do it this way. 1 times our denominator, which is 4, plus 3 over our denominator. Okay. So that will equal 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3, which will give me 7/4. Okay. So let's do 2 1/2. Okay. 2 1/2. Okay. So my whole number is 2. Our denominator is 2. And our numerator is 1. So let's put it back into this equation. So our whole number is 2 times our denominator is 2 plus our numerator is 1 over our denominator. Whoops. Okay, so our answer would be 2 times 2 plus 1. Excuse me. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2. Okay? And let's do our last fraction, 3 1/3. Okay? 3 1/3. So our whole number is 3, since this is our whole number right here. And our denominator, which is 3 over here, and our numerator, which is here, is 1. Okay, so let's fill in the blank. So our whole number, which is 3, times our denominator is 3, plus 1 over 3, and our answer would be 10 over 3. Okay, let's do one more together, because I do realize that our fractions are similar as to our whole number and our denominators. So let's give one more try to another fraction. Let's do 4 1/2. Okay? Let's try to convert that into an improper fraction. So our whole number here is 4. Okay? Our denominator is 2. Okay? And our numerator is 1. Okay? So let's plug in our numbers. So our whole number here is 4 times our denominator, which is 2, plus our numerator, which is 1, over our denominator, which is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2. Okay, so that is how you will convert your mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Now, let's convert our let's convert our improper fraction to our mixed fraction, and how we would do that. Okay, so let's do 3 together. Okay, so let's do 9 over 6, 5 over 4, and 3 over 2. Let's do 9 over 6, okay? 9 over 6. Okay, actually, let's change that, because what I realized was something else. Okay, let's do 9 over 7. Okay, that would be our first our first improper fraction. So let's do 9 over 7. So there is an equation to this, but it will be a little bit difficult, so it's better if we do it this way. Okay, so let's do 9 over 7. So let's take out your division sign. Let's start putting our numbers into the division sign. So our numerator will go in the inside, and our denominator will go on the outside of your fraction. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide. What one number can I multiply by 7 to get 9 or close to 9? So 1. So that will be our whole number. And let's subtract. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And now you will see a remainder. that remainder becomes our numerator. And then this number, the 7, becomes our denominator. So your answer would be 1 2/7. Okay, so this would be your whole number. This will become your numerator. And this will become your denominator. Okay. Okay, so let's do 5/4. Okay, so take out that division sign. Your numerator goes in the inside of the division sign. Your 4 or your denominator will be on the outside. Okay, and then you go ahead and divide. So 4 times what will give me 5 or close to 5? And it's 1. And so that becomes your whole number. So 4 times 1 is 4. And if you subtract, it will be 1. 1 will become your numerator. And your 4 will become your denominator. So it'll be 1 and 1/4. Okay, so let's do our last one together. So 3/2. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide. Take out that division sign. Your numerator goes on the inside, and your denominator goes on the outside. And you go ahead and you divide. So 2 times what will give me 3 or close to 3? So it's 1. And 1 becomes your whole number. And so 2 times 1 is 2. And you go ahead and subtract. 1 is your remainder. Your remainder becomes the numerator. And your 2 out here becomes your denominator. So 1 1/2 is your answer. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.